Hey friends, if 100% disk usage is being caused on your system and that's a problem, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, search for Task Manager, and when you open the Task Manager, there's a section for disk usage. If it's approaching 100% and if it's in red, then this will slow down your computer. It will start hanging and freezing. As for the resolutions, before we proceed to the resolutions, we'll try to understand the cause. Now, this can either be caused by some background services which are important or by third-party applications. If it is caused by background processes, then there are countless such background processes which can cause it. And in some of these cases, all you can do is wait. But my advice is to at least disable these two services, sysmain and connected user telemetry service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open the service manager window. Scroll down to the connected service, connected devices platform service, right click and then restart it, or rather stop it. That will be better. And the connected user telemetry service, if you find that, you can disable that one as well. It's called connected user experiences and telemetry. So stop that and then scroll down to sysmain, right click and stop that. And this way you have done away with most of the causes for the background processes causing this issue. You can also update your system, though it gets updated automatically, but it's still an advice. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to set system for high performance. How do we do this? Search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust for appearance and performance. Select add for adjust for best performance, click on apply and then on OK, and this actually makes your computer super fast. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command SFC / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And obviously the last solution is to add more RAM, because more RAM will be needed if you are using a lot of software products on your computer. One more thing is that if a third-party process is causing this issue, you can either kill that third-party process, or you can disable it or uninstall it totally. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.